This could be the easiest way to make money online without selling or marketing anything. You don't have to build a website or make a YouTube channel if you use this method. To be exact, you don't need any kind of social audience or following at all. To make money with this method, all you have to do is follow the steps we'll show you in this video. We'll show you how to do everything in 2 easy steps, so that by the end of this video you'll be able to start making money right away. We will also show you how to make more money with more websites and double or even triple your earnings. Before we start discussing in detail, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon as well. Step 1. Go to Google, enter in Google News, and then select the Google News option from the results page. In this section, you can find the most recent articles published on a variety of subjects. Make it American and change the language to English. Choose the one that piques your interest the most from the list of categories on the left, and you'll immediately be presented with a list of the most recent articles published on a variety of subjects that fall under the umbrella of the category or niche that you selected. The first and best method is to conduct research on the subject based on the article that you discovered, and then to compose an article that is superior than the one that you found. You can spend a few hours reworking your own piece of content by using tools such as thesaurus.com to assist you locate synonyms and additional subtitles and ideas. Alternatively, you can just sit on your behind for that few hours. The second option, this one is not as morally sound but is perfectly legal. It won't cost you anything, and it won't take more than a few minutes of your time. The next thing you may do is take the text from the article that you have discovered and paste it into a piece of software known as spinbot.com. Mark the box that says "I'm not a robot," then click the Go button. Spinbot will restate the text you provide, replacing the words with synonyms and rearranging the sequence. When it is finished, you will have a text that is uniquely yours in some way. You will see the rewritten content in the box that is located underneath the original text. Read the text to verify that it has been changed and that it makes sense. Download Grammarly, then paste the rewritten text into a word processor or some other piece of software. When you do this, you will notice a small circle on the right side of the bottom right corner of the screen. On the other hand, we recommend making use of a free Chrome extension called Grammarly. The color red indicates that your writing contains certain errors. All you have to do is click on the text, and it will fix the words for you. You only need the free version of Grammarly to get started, and it will be of great assistance to you. Now that you have written up your new article in your own words, you have 3 options available to you for making money with it. The first method, which you have probably already become familiar with, is to build your own free website using Google Sites, GrooveFunnels, Wix, or some other free website builder, and then to publish a great number of articles. This is a long-term business plan, and at some point in the future, you will make sales by recommending affiliate products or, ultimately, by posting advertisements on your website. The second option is to use video editing software such as Vidnami to turn this article into a video. Within this time frame, you will be able to create a video. Simply copy and paste the text into the provided box, and the AI will locate the appropriate video and music, complete with subtitles and possibly even a voiceover. If you do not wish to utilize software that requires payment, or if you do not wish to test out Vidnami for free, then you can edit your videos with video editors such as OpenShot, then broadcast the edited version of the video on your channel and wait for viewers to watch it. This method is also sustainable over the long run, and the majority of one's income will come from advertising or affiliate links. There is a more effective path available for you here. Step 2. You are not required to create a website, and there is no need for you to upload any videos. There are several websites that, in exchange for your article, will pay you money. A few of them will pay you up to $1 for each word that you submit. If your article is 1,000 words long, as the majority of them are, you have the potential to make up to $1,000 for each and every piece. We are going to walk you through the operation of a number of these websites. You'll find the whole list of websites in the description that will pay you at least $100 for each article you write. Consider the fact that if you produce those articles on your own, they can be created in a matter of minutes, at most in a matter of hours. If you write 1 article per day, you have the potential to earn at least $100 a day from your writing. The vast majority of these websites will pay you far more, and the more websites you post on, the better, as this will allow you to more than double or even triple your revenue. So let us show you a few of these websites. The first site is Eating Well, https://www.eatingwell.com. Visit the website, scroll down until you find the jobs section, and click on that. After that, continue scrolling until you find the author's guidelines section, read all of them. They will pay you up to $1 for each word, which is fantastic. You can send your work to a great number of websites, some of which are listed below. Just remember to look through your piece one last time before you send it in. You don't want to send them articles that aren't very good, which is quite unlikely given that you received them through Google News. To summarize, this is the basic process for earning between $200 and $1,000 per day through Google News. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.